Hello everyone, we are using the designs here. Explore the different features. Create another structure we are using to have it. Let's change the designs here. I will try another designs. Explore the more and more options. Let's use the more shapes to add it. So there is another shape we will generate. Keep editing the similar one and use the different layer styles and each shape here we have drawn.